Hi, this is Brian, and this is David from 360 Immersive. And in 2019, we're going to be launching an exciting new program that takes the do-it-yourself idea, but then does it together. And David, what does that mean for VR training when we talk about doing it together?
Well, if you think about organizations large and small, they're looking for a methodology or a way to create VR content for their training, for their L&D managers, for essentially to increase retention within their training organization. And yet, traditionally, that's been an expensive process, or it's been a process that required a lot of skill and a lot of learning and technological innovation. But today, in fact, I have one here. If you can grab a selfie or capture your kids at a birthday party, for instance, you can capture a 360 live experience if you can run your cell phone. And then, well, what do you do with that? Well, that's where the do it together process comes in, is that we help you, once you capture those live experiences that you want to use in your training program, we process them and we integrate them into a custom app that you use in your classroom.
So then really anybody becomes an expert in their field, and in any industry you're able to create that content that then you can use in training.
That's right, and we will have a significant support system that actually will step you through how to use the camera, how to set up a tripod, how to set up maybe a vehicle mount. Maybe you're doing some emergency vehicle scenarios. And each one of those tutorials will kind of take you through the process to make sure that you're successful and that ultimately your learners are successful.
Okay, so you're not going to get shipped a bunch of equipment that you don't know how to use and then be trying to figure that out, because we all have the experience of trying a new program or new technology and then not knowing how to implement it. So what you're telling me is that there's going to be a lot of support on the back end, so people are going to feel comfortable being able to use this technology.
Absolutely. And really it comes down to, if you feel comfortable in grabbing your cell phone and shooting a video, you're going to do well within this program.
That's really exciting to hear. I can't wait to see more about this and learn more about this. If you want to know more, shoot us a question in the comments and make sure to subscribe and follow us in the future. More next time. Thank you.